प्रिय मित्रों, इस दूसरे वीडियो में मैं फिर से उपस्थित हूँ। आई एम अगेन प्रेजेंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, द सेकेंड वीडियो ऑफ माई चैनल। इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट समटाइम्स टू स्पीक ऑन यूट्यूब because you are not speaking to anyone, there is no one in front of you. It's like I am speaking idly, जैसे हम खाली बात कर रहे हैं, कोई संबोधित करने के लिए नहीं है। पता नहीं कहाँ वो बात पहुँच रही है, या वो एकालाप है, इज इट अ मोनोलॉग। Still, I wish to pull down my thoughts, to bring them down to my Vani, to my voice, to my speech. और जैसे जैसे ख्याल आते जाएंगे, as the thoughts download from some mysterious place inside me, I'll go on expressing what I want to say. एक बार फिर से मैं बात करना चाहूँगा ओशो रजनीश की। और ओशो आज एक ऐसा व्यक्तित्व हैं जिनकी हज़ारों पुस्तकें बिक रही हैं। मूलतः उनकी 650 पुस्तकें थीं, मगर उसके विभाजन किए गए, उनको अलग अलग भाषाओं में अनुवादित किया गया। आज ओशो का काफिला काफ़ी आगे बढ़ चुका है और इन दिनों बड़ी सरगर्मी है कि उनके कम्यून के, उनके रिजॉर्ट के एक भाग को बेचा जा रहा है गुप्त रूप से। Surreptitiously it seems a part of the ashram is being sold, and now there is a conflict between a few Indian Osho sannyasins and the trustees, most of them being from outside India, from West. They have their own logic. They want funds to run the ashram, and they have really managed it well. They have done a great job by providing continuously the vision of Osho over the last 30 years when Osho left his body. Now they are being tested and others are raising their voice. They want this precious property to be protected at all costs. And I tell those sannyasins or Osho lovers who want to protect this property to come forward and have a dialogue with the trustees, with the people in charge. They should discuss it out. They should find out what is the problem and can they sort it out. If there is any problem with the trustees regarding how to manage the place, the others should support them, because if you have enjoyed this place, it is also your duty to manage this place. And they have done an incredible job by maintaining it in such a fine shape. तो अगर भारतीय सन्यासी या दूसरे देशों के भी कुछ मित्र चाहते हैं कि वो स्थान यथावत रहे या उसकी कुछ संपत्ति कम ना हो, इट शुड नॉट बी रिड्यूस्ड, दे शुड कम अहेड and contribute their bit in safeguarding it. So let us not simply go on talking on social media, backbiting, throwing dirt, mudslinging. There's no point in that. It's you say a thing and go ahead. So it's a time when the ashram is in controversy, but Osho is not. Osho is flourishing like ever because Osho is in the hearts of millions. And I see that with most of the other gurus in present times, where people are flocking in. I go to Muji Baba, I go to Sadhguru, Jaggi Vasudev ji. I have seen the lineage of Ravi Shankar ji, the followers of Ravi Shankar ji, Prem Baba, many others. So I see people of Osho are going everywhere. What is the reason? The reason is Osho really made his people open enough to welcome anyone who they find, I should say, enlightened, aware, awakened, or in whom they find a certain light, to go and experiment. So this was the commandment of Osho, कि जहाँ भी कोई तुम्हें जागृत व्यक्ति दिखे या अपने से आगे का व्यक्ति दिखे, उसके आगे समर्पण करना और आगे बढ़ना। तो जैनों का जो नमोकार मंत्र है, नमो सिद्धानम, नमो आयर्याणम, नमो उवज्जायाणम, जो सब अरिहंतों, सिद्धों, उपाध्यायों को प्रणाम करता है, सारे जागृत व्यक्तियों को प्रणाम करता है, उसकी तरफ ओशो का इशारा था कि सदा जागृत व्यक्ति पृथ्वी पर रहे हैं, अवेकन कॉन्शियसनेस रही हैं, उनके पास आप जाते रहिए, उनसे सीखते रहिए और आगे बढ़ते रहिए, और फिर जब आपकी बारी आए तो आप शेयर कीजिए। तो मुझे नहीं मालूम, आई डोंट नो हाउ एबल आई एम टू शेयर माई थॉट्स, और हाउ कैपेबल आई एम, or how eligible I am, rather, to share my thoughts and feelings. But it's everybody's freedom, and I am also taking my freedom to share these small views. Now, these videos in particular are not ordered, they are chaotic. But life is also chaotic. If you look carefully, the trees, when they are moving with the wind, or the rivers, or the whole existence, it's dancing. It's dancing without any order. It's chaotic. There is a deep down system, there is a deep down rhythm, but there is no predefined set of values. So I am also speaking like that. In the moment, whatever is coming, if you like it, please go on watching. Thank you very much. See you in the next video again.